Hi there, my name is Dr. Stephanie Zagragan. I'm a chiropractor and certified clinical nutritionist that has been in clinical practice for over 17 years, and I have helped thousands of patients get their lives back. One of the biggest things that I utilize in doing that is the Standard Process 21-Day Purification Program. This helps people balance their hormones, sleep better, get their energy back, lose some weight, and so much more. I have a video exactly on what the purification program is and if it might be for you, and I encourage you to watch that video. But if you know you want to do the program and want to join us, I want to share with you the different bonuses that I have when you detox with me. Also, I really want to support you through the process. I found that patients that do this on their own could, especially the first time, could really use some support. So in doing that, I have created an online purification program that will walk you through going through the program yourself. It is self-guided and it includes many resources for you. It has videos. I have a weekly video that is going to walk you through exactly what you need to do from a dietary perspective and from a supplement protocol perspective every single week of the program. I also have assignments. I love to keep you accountable with things that you can be doing on a weekly basis as well. So we have weekly assignments. I have plenty of resources and support. I have so many additional bonuses that I've created over the years to help support my patients through the process. And I like the community aspect, as we've created a private Facebook page for all of our patients and followers that go through the program as well. So in order to get all this for free, I'd love to give this to you for free. The only thing we ask is that you order your kit through our website, and that way we can help support you through the process. You just need to order the kit from orderstandardprocess.com and then send your receipt, forward your receipt to our email, and we will give you full access to the online program. This slide gives you a sneak peek of what it looks like on the inside, but we've got a weekly video, weekly assignments, resources, ways that you can get support from myself and my team. And I have plenty of more bonuses for you as well. With the order of any kit, you'll get a hard copy of the guidebook. I also provide you with a digital version of that. So if you're anywhere, you can have it on your tablet, on your phone. If you forget the guidebook at home, you can have it digitally and look anything up that you might need. I've also created a 21-day purification program journey. I have measurements, reflections in there. Each day of your detox is a page that you can fill out. If you want to do pre and post measurements, I have everything in there for you. And then once we go through the post purification, I teach you how to add foods back for food sensitivity. So there's even a section in there to go through that process if you choose to do that as well. I've also included an additional recipe e-guide. This is 40 pages worth of additional detox-friendly recipes for you. I have a meal planner because I think it's really important to be able to create meal plans and create recipes ahead of time. And there's more. I have a digital version of the shopping list. You'll have access to our private Facebook group. I have a detox enhancers guide that will help enhance the detox pathways in simple and easy ways. I have a post-program guide that walks you through how to add foods back if you'd like to see if you have any food sensitivities, and a ton of additional resources for you. As I mentioned, the only requirement to be able to get all of those bonuses and access to the online version is to order the program through our website. To order your kit, you can go to the link that is at the bottom of this video here, or you can go to orderstandardprocess.com, create your online account, order your kit, and then once you receive your receipt for your detox kit, feel free to email it to us at support@drzagragan.com, and we will email you back with the login information so that you can join us on the journey with support, videos, resources, assignments, and information from me as well. I'd love to be a part of that journey with you. I hope that you'll consider choosing the 21-day purification program to get you back on track and help reset your body, and I'm here to support you throughout the process. Take care for now.